Okay, let's break all the rules. This is a shortened tutorial of how I created my little porcelain bunny unicorn friend. Comment if you'd like me to post the long, detailed version here on my channel. This tiny bunnicorn was actually filled with paper before it went into the kiln, and surprise, surprise, it did not explode or even crack after it's been fired to around 2300 Fahrenheit. This little guy also skipped the bisque firing and went through what is known as single firing, but that part isn't new to me as I single fire all of my work. I've cut out a lot of the tedious work that sculpting with porcelain includes, if you know, you know, like continually re-wetting the piece as it dries really quickly and cracks, and also the slipping and scoring as I attach every little piece. I really enjoy learning the rules of something so I can then experiment with bending and breaking them just to see what happens. The paper inside the sculpture will burn away and turn to ash, which is really helpful when you're creating the form for a sculpture. It can speed up the process quite a bit. Poking a hole in the form will allow for moisture to escape as it dries, but since this piece was all about breaking the rules, I wanted to see what would happen if I did not include a hole, and I didn't include a hole on the first piece that's on the tile, and nothing happened. After glazing and firing this second piece, it will be ready for some gold stars on his eyes and mother of pearl luster on his unicorn horn.